Hi guys, TinaGale here, and I am so excited to share an unboxing video with you today. I was lucky enough to win one of the Wild Hare kits, so I have not even opened it. It came in the mail last night. I have taken a couple of days off work to try to get ready for Christmas, and this is how excited I am. I do not have to go to work today. It is 5 a.m. Well, actually it's 5:30 now by the time I got my camera set up and everything. So I wanted to open it with everybody and share all my excitement with you. Now, I won this from Alice Bowl she does a scrapbook live once a month, and she was giving away one of the Wild Hare kits. So thank you, Allison and Alice, for my wonderful kit. If you're not familiar with them, they are ones that curate it specifically for you. So they give you a questionnaire and you answer some just simple questions about yourself. They have some photos of colors and things like that so that you can respond to them, whether you really like them, you're into them, you're not so much. You can tell them what you absolutely don't like. And I kind of felt bad. I have no idea what she pulled together for me, because they also want to know kind of what you're working on. Well, not much. I'm just an everyday scrapbooker, and I don't use a lot of really themed products. I'm a B-side scrapper, so I love all the B-sides. I love paper, and I love embellishments. So that's pretty much all she had to go on. But I have seen some of the other kits she pulled together, and they are gorgeous. So I am so excited to get into this. I pulled out all kinds of tools because I didn't know what I was going to need to be able to get in here. But yes, I hope everybody is having a wonderful holiday season. You're not too crazy getting ready for it. I know I spent all day yesterday Christmas shopping. Okay, I didn't want to totally destroy the box. Spent yesterday Christmas shopping. Today I'm going to work on scrapbook stuff, editing videos, work on my December albums, so hopefully I'll have something to share, and wrap Christmas gifts. So enough of that. Let's see what she's got. Love those. Love those. Okay. And I did tell her that I loved photo corners, I think. I think I did. Okay. You guys, I've said all along, I feel like a kid at Christmas, and I was awake at 4. I did wait an hour to get up out of bed. Alright, so there's a cute little card thanking us. Congratulations on your free kit. Happy crafting. And I know there was a note back here listing everything. We hope you love your free kit. We sent lots of gorgeous pattern paper from Simple Stories, which that was one thing that I did say. I love Simple Stories. And others in your favorite navy, aqua, and pinks. We included lots of the coordinating embellies, and make sure you got some photo corners. We also included our exclusive November cut file. Enjoy your crafty besties at the Wild Hare kits. So yeah, with your kits, you also get a free cut file. Okay, I don't even know where to begin, but I see lots. I also told her I loved florals. I love that. Okay, so we have Jen Hatfield Patio Party, which I do have some of this, but I don't have this paper, and I love all these little small cut-aparts you can tuck in for embellishing. The back is a black and white. Oh, that's going to be hard to decide. I love that. Like I said, I am a B-side scrapper. I love just little stuff, just little patterns. Okay, Pink Paisley, Paige Evans, Pick Me Up, which is frames, and a bold print on the back in pink. So I will probably definitely use this side. Little Dude, Boy Oh Boy from Simple Stories. Love the soft blue. And a bold black and white with a text. That one's going to be hard to decide too. I'll probably use both sides of that. Okay, this one's a Simple Stories. I know, because I can recognize it. Good Vibes, which I had this paper, but I used it to make cards. So that'll be fun. I'll definitely use this side. Heidi Swap, Hawthorne. So that's pink, leaning a little to purple. So I will use this side. Well, I don't know. Well, it matches pretty well with that pink. I don't know. I'll leave that side up. I usually try to, when I go through my papers, and there's one side that I definitely like over others, I try to leave that side up. Of course, it gets hard when you like both sides, but we'll do that. Okay, this one I know is another Simple Stories. Good Vibes. Love those. Love the black and white dot. It's hard. Look at me. I'm going to put all the black and whites up. Okay, another Simple Stories. Good Vibes. Love the wood grain with that design on it. And the black and white geometric. So we'll stay with this side because I love me a wood grain. This one is pink paisley. I know. I love the ombre with the hearts and the pink. It's gorgeous. And then a bold rainbow design. So yeah, definitely this side. That's my pink. Another Patio Party from Jen Hatfield with the florals. So look at that. That's how good all of that matches. Oh, and the back side's a text. I haven't seen this paper. I have some of this collection, but I don't have this paper. Okay, that's going to be another one that I'm going to end up using both sides. Love that floral. Heidi Swap Hawthorne, which is an ombre. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, and a wood grain. Look at that. Oh. Wood grain. Okay, so that one. And then here is the cut file, which is just like a round wreath. So you can punch that out. I'm not going to punch it out just yet until I'm ready to use it. That is super nice that you get that cut. She has two different sizes of kits. So this is the deluxe kit, which you get the cut file cut out for you. She also has a petite kit where you get the file, but they don't cut it for you. So one way or the other, you're gonna get the free cut file. So I think that's really nice. A nice little bonus. Okay, so I was going to try to stack those up into the sides that I more than likely would use. All right, now embellishments. I was wanting these. I love navy blue. And these are chipboard thickers. Ah. So these are called Fairy Tale. Love the font. Gorgeous. And Freckled Fawn. So they're foil epoxy stickers. So I have not seen these. I don't follow Freckled Fawn too much. I love their stuff, but I don't take the time to go check them out. That's really cool how they just splattered the gold on top of that. And I will definitely use lots of enamel shapes. Jen Hatfield. So they're the dimensional stickers with the florals. So gorgeous. And Head in the Clouds. I wanted these too, so that's a lot of fun. Love Chamel. And they have like little iridescent glitter down in them. I don't know if it's going to show up on camera very well because of the, try to get it right where the packaging doesn't reflect. Those are gorgeous. Okay, so yeah, definitely lots of fun. Heidi Swap, photo corners, 5 colors, 8 of each. So it looks like white and gold, peachy pink, yellow, and that looks like navy to me. Oh my gosh, I'm in heaven. Okay. All right. Well, I want to open them. That's the only thing about me opening it on camera. I don't get to sit and oodle and awe as much as I do when I just open it without the camera on. But I know you guys want to see everything. But just in case you haven't seen these, because I have not had these before, so. Oh, it's a cute little matchbox. Okay, so yeah, they're on little individual. That is so nice. Yep, navy. So these are like a matte. They're not glossy at all. It's a matte paper, which I love that. And then the shiny gold. Okay, definitely going to enjoy using those. And then Simple Stories, Good Vibes, which I don't know. I can't remember if I have these or not. I might have some of them. So lots of embellishments, which I think I might have told her that was, you know, my thing is definitely layering up and having a lot of fun, like die cuts like that. It's gorgeous. Okay, so it's just chock full. I don't know if that says 55 pieces. So yeah, I have lots and lots and lots to stack up. So that is a look at what I got in my kit. Thank you so much, Allison, for putting together a fabulous kit that I will definitely use. I love everything in it. You did an excellent job. And thank you to Alice for giving the giveaway and her scrapbook live. I was trying to get that back into shot. Whoa, hold up the train here. I forgot one thing. This was stuck, got caught up underneath the paper. So there are also this little package, which I like using these, so I don't want to tear it up, with a couple of flare that say love you and 100%. So I wanted to be sure to get those in there as well because that is part of the kit. So now on to the ending. Okay, so be sure to check out the Wild Hare kits. I will put links down below for the Wild Hare kits, and I'll put Alice's link for Scrapbook Wonderland so you can check out her Scrapbook Lives. She also does the Scrap Happy membership, which does the load event, the layout a day. So lots of information on her website. So I hope you enjoyed a look at this kit. Have a fabulous day and stay warm. I don't know what the weather like in your neighborhood, but we are supposed to get some really nasty weather tonight and tomorrow. So I'm looking forward to just staying in, not having to go to work, and playing with my goodies. So I will see you soon. Have a great day. I hope you get your scrap on. And again, thank you so much for my kit, Allison. And be sure to check out the links down below. So we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.